Hi guys, good evening. Tignan nyo po yung item natin ngayon. Sobrang laki po yan guys. Okay, pakitaan ko po kayo ng coins ng 20 bill. Okay, 20 bill piso. Ayan. Yan yung 20 bill piso natin. So ito pong pendant. You see, parang nilamon lang siya. Okay, look at that. Okay, so akala mo sobrang mamahalin pero yung style niya lang is sobrang mahal. Okay, so 18 carats. At ang kanya naman guys, chain ay talaga namang sobrang kapal. Okay, at saka ang kanyang lock, secured na secured, 18 carats. Brand new yan ha. Okay guys, ito po yung kanyang itsura. Look at that. Thank you.